BMW has announced a significant shift in its historic Munich factory, revealing plans for the exclusive production of electric vehicles (EVs) starting in 2027. This move marks a departure from decades of tradition and signifies BMW's accelerated commitment to its e-mobility goals. The Munich plant, which produced its first car, the BMW 501 Saloon, in 1952, has been a key location for many of the company's iconic models. Notably, it played a pivotal role in launching BMW's modern era with the Neue Klasse, featuring the renowned 2002. The plant will undergo a transformation as it prepares to produce the Neue Klasse, expected to commence production in 2026, a year before the cessation of internal combustion car production at the facility. Currently, the Munich plant assembles both 3 Series and EV4 saloons on the same production line. In 2023, BMW set a production record, with nearly 1,000 cars a day rolling off the assembly line, approximately half of which were electric vehicles. To pave the way for an all-electric lineup, the company has invested €650 million, leading to the construction of new facilities, including an assembly line and body shop. Engine production in Munich ceased in 2023, with operations fully shifted to Hall in Britain and Steyr in Austria, marking the end of over a century of internal combustion engine manufacturing in Munich. Plant Munich director Peter Weber expressed excitement about guiding the facility into a fully electric future, emphasizing the importance of the Neue Klasse sedan in this transition. The investment also reflects BMW's confidence in its flagship location, with the Munich plant at the center of the company's digitalization and artificial intelligence (AI) initiatives through the iFactory principle. The announcement details plans for BMW's bold move toward an all-electric future, with the Neue Klasse production extending to China and Mexico. Additionally, Hungary will be responsible for manufacturing high-voltage batteries based on a new 800V architecture. Despite the shift, BMW remains rooted in its Bavarian home by Munich Olympic Park, where the brand's museum and Versailles office are located. The introduction of increased digitalization and AI utilization in the iFactory principle is set to catalyze Plant Munich's next chapter. The Neue Klasse era will kick off with a saloon, following an SUV that will roll out from BMW plant Debrecen in Hungary from 2025. The company hopes that staying true to traditional design cues, such as Hofmeister kinks and kidney grills, will appeal to enthusiasts and encourage a broader audience to embrace e-mobility. The overall industry reaction to this significant shift remains open for discussion, with enthusiasts and skeptics sharing their thoughts on the direction BMW is taking.